In this video, I'll show you how to fix phone not connecting to PC but charging only. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, before we start, let me clear you one thing. If you're using the right cable, only then you can transfer your data, because there are many cables available in the market which are only used to charge your phone only. If you're using that cable, then you are not able to transfer your data into your PC, but you have the right cable which is also used to transfer data. You can just go ahead. So first of all, what we need to do, just connect the cable to your PC and other end to your mobile phone, and here you will get the notification at the top. So we have to click there and click on transfer files. Now as soon as you select the transfer files from the pop-up, you will see that the phone is connected to your PC. For that, just go to your file explorer and check here if your phone is connected or not. So in my case it is not connected, so I'll just show you how to fix this. So for that, we just need to hit right click on the start button, click on device manager, and here you will see the option portable devices. As you can see, if you are using Windows 11, you will see the option portable devices, but if you are using Windows 10, then you have to look for the option other devices. Once you find that, just click on this little arrow, then you will see your phone which is connected to your PC. So we just need to hit right click on the phone, then click on update driver, and here click on search automatically for drivers. So what it will do, it will just install the updated drivers into your PC, and from then you can able to transfer your data into your PC. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can solve this problem. But if I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.